Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another Metcalfe building kit. This one being the Ramshackle Workshop, which has got the product code of PN186. Just trying to read this upside down. And it's a rather nice little compact kit. I'm quite surprised by how small the packaging was. So I'll pop that there and we can have a look at all the contents inside. Here's the instructions. We have 4 sheets to build off. We have the main colour sheet, which is sheet A. It has the main exterior contents of the building. There's the main building itself. That looks like a side building. There's another side building. Here's the roof. And here's the chimneys and things like that. So that's nice to see. I'll work on that later, so I'll pop that there. We also have the glazing sheet, which has basically all the windows, and it's not really all that many windows, which is good to see. And we have got the roof skylights, which I'll pop in a bit later. I'll quickly go into this one first. This is the this is the main strength building card. So basically, this would be the underlying card to the color exterior. So I'll pop that there. So that's basically all the structural parts. And this is, I just need to turn this around so I can have a read of what it is. It's a thick grey card with fine laser cut components. So it's basically just some finer bits just to add extra detail. So we've got the steps here which lead up to the back of the building, and I think these are the actual steps themselves, and then some bits for the chimney. So yes, that's nice to see as well. So that's the entire kit. So let me have a quick look at how many steps you've got. Let me have a quick read. It's got a nice little booklet actually. This is actually a proper booklet instead of a couple of folded bits of paper. So not including what's on the front page, which is basically finding all the bits all the sheets of paper and all that lot, all the tools, which I'll go through in a moment, the glue applicator, and the extracting components. The amount of steps you've got is 12. Well, including the 5 on the front there, we've only got 12 steps, so it's not really all that difficult, really. So yeah, you start off with gluing all the windows onto the support, well, basically where they're meant to live, and also the supports bits. Then you basically clean up the windows, and then you start building the actual building. So yeah, doesn't really seem all that difficult. And yeah, here we are putting the staircase together, adding the side building, which has the little steps leading up to it, and then the actual chimney building on the other side, and then finally finish off some details. Yes, tools which you need. First of all, glue. Does recommend, and I also do recommend, UHU contact glue. But I do also recommend using some super glue if you do need it, mainly for some of the difficult parts really need an extra bit of glue. Some scissors, because it's always good to have a pair of scissors to help clean things out. A scalpel or cutting blade of some sort. I will be careful with this because I did cut myself at one point with this. So yes, do be careful with any knives you may have. And also these clamps. Well, not really clamps, they're paper clampy things. Use them for holding documents together. These are very useful, and I do recommend getting some. You can probably find them on Amazon or any other market of choice. But do get them because they do help put all this lot together and helps speed up your building. And I don't think it will take me that long to put this together. Probably about a couple of hours at most. I will be watching something on YouTube while I put this together. So yeah, that'll keep me busy for the evening really. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit, and I hope you enjoy watching me put together. Then we can have a quick look at it at the end and see how it all looks. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, here we are, the finished Metcalfe Ramshackle Workshop kit done. I'm quite happy with it. It didn't take too long, about... let me have a quick look at the files. I did have a little break in between, but let's have a quick look at see how long that took. About an hour and a half, really. Give it max 2 hours. So yeah, not really that bad of a kit. Yeah, I'm quite impressed with it. Didn't really need anything under the roof to sort out. I do need to sort that bit out as well, but I'm quite impressed with it. I did end up with one piece left over. I don't know where it's meant to live, but I don't think it's actually mattered too much, because it does look very nice still. The chimney is quite nice. That was a very interesting build. It has a very nice top as well, and the midpoint is very nicely detailed too. I was a bit concerned about the windows, the skylight windows, but no, they still look quite nice, quite strong, because it's got that big support beam going across as well. The staircase looks rather nice. However, I may have put a few of the steps the wrong way around, but a bit of weathering has to sort that out anyway. The one bit which I'm not entirely happy with, but this is due to my own build, is this last staircase here. I'm not too sure if I got that quite right, but it still looks nice. It just didn't quite look exactly how it looked in the book. The book is itself is quite easy to read, so I'm pleased with that. Yeah, I would recommend this. It cost me about tenner. So yeah, if you've got space on your layout for a little workshop, yeah, I would recommend it. Because like I said, it's only a dinky little thing. Have a quick look at the. So it's about. I'm going to give about 10 centimeters that way and 6.5 that way. Yeah, dinky little thing. Yeah, very impressed with it. Do let me know what you're thinking. Yeah, I'm going to say that's pretty much it really for this video. Do let me know what you think about this this building. Do you like it? Do you not like it? I know there's some things that I could improve, but as always I need to grey out or colour out the white lines and stuff, but I never do that because I'm too lazy. Yeah, another thing, the back's a bit plain, but unfortunately some walls are like that, so it's not really too bad. The front is the main selling part. Look at that. We should probably keep it in focus. Look at all that little detail work. But yeah, let me know what you think. It's not too difficult to build. Only a few fiddly bits, but yeah, I'm very happy with it. And yeah, let me know what you think. If you do like it, if you did like the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. And I hope to see everyone next time. So take care now, and yeah, bye bye. Also, not too sure what I'm doing with this later. I'll probably give it away again. Anyway, take care.